Welcome to another card making tutorial. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how to make this quick and easy card. Shown here and linked below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. A really easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the pen color that you use. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. I ended up using a straight edge, as you can see here, to just kind of make two horizontal lines so that my lettering was nice and straight. However, this is entirely optional. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, switch over to a thin pen. Here I'm using a black Faber-Castell pen in size F. However, you can really use whatever color you want. And what I did was I simply started by outlining the word whoa. And once I had that outlined, I went back in and I simply traced over the other words that make up this card. I ended up going over everything again for a second time with my black pen, just to make the lines really nice and saturated in color and a little bit thicker. And then as a final step, I just used my eraser and I erased any remaining pencil lines that weren't exactly traced over. And once you've done that, this quick and easy card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card and also customizing it yourself. Thanks so much for watching.